You're watching Batesi TV.
A female tourist from Odisha recently visited Nongriat village, which is located in East Khasi Hills district of Meghalaya, to see the famous Living Root Bridge. The media team from Batesi TV, who met this tourist, who was traveling alone from Odisha, reported that she expressed some apprehensions about traveling alone. However, she took several safety measures by recording the vehicle numbers, addresses of accommodations, and informing her relatives and others so as to avoid any untoward incidents during her journey.
Hello. Hello. Oh, मैं जैसे ही बताएगा.
Hello. Odisha.
Yes,
So, you're not scared traveling alone?
I am, but I am taking my precautions by sharing the details with the family people. It is not safe for solo traveler, female traveler probably. So I just came to Sora today, and Shillong I find it beautiful. Yes, a lot to offer, I guess.
So you feel safe here in Sora?
So far so good. Yes, if you join with the people, if you stay in a hostel, combine with other hostel mates and travel, then I think it is much safer than traveling alone.
Tourists especially want to visit Sora. So is it safe? Can you tell me?
Yes, it is, but take your measures and talk to people who are in your accommodation. Have the taxi guy's number or the vehicle number, share with your family, so that I think some little measures we can take, and rest it is up to God, I think.
So you heard recently there's one incident here in Sora happening.
I don't want to comment on it. No.
No, you heard about it?
Yes, of
So
course.
you still feel like Sora is safe to travel?
Cases happens everywhere,
Yes.
but yeah, I think that's it.
From the hills of the east, a new voice rises. Hello, Meghalaya, our state's first ever OTT platform streaming stories, music, and dreams. From folklore to films, beats to breakthroughs, this is where culture meets creativity. Discover award-winning talents, breakthrough creators, and untold stories that deserves to be seen. From soulful podcasts to live streams and dreamers. This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello, Meghalaya. Your story starts here.